What's up, guys? Welcome to the next video. We now have like 19 hours to get this Corvette ready for Texas. Made tons of progress, like as you can tell, tons of progress last night. You know, we're still at the same exact place. I did get these seats in, however. These were a pain. The harnesses aren't in, but the seats are in. Austin's coming by to save the day, help us finish painting this thing. Apparently he's like the spray paint goddess.
Man, I don't think there's any
he told me to blow the hood off a little bit. And, you know, I get any dust that's over there. So we're gonna start spraying and hopefully it turns out pretty good. Brandon, do you approve over there?
You guys got it.
All right. Yeah, he did really good yesterday. He like sold like, well, like pretty much like 4 cars yesterday.
Damn.
Solid job, Brandon. Hit him up. Like, he's a salesman. Don't talk to him if you don't want to spend any money. But anyway, I wanted to go over my wheel setup real quick. I've got these stage wheels. Like I said, I'm running a 9.5, so I had to run an inch spacer, which shout out Amazon. But we're gonna throw these on there. Hopefully they kind of fill that gap a little bit, and hopefully they look pretty solid. I gotta throw a 1-inch spacer in the front as well. They're a 18 by 9.5 plus 20 offset, I believe, or plus 22 actually. So yeah, I need a little bit of a spacer for the FDF angle kit, and I need a little bit of spacer just to fill in the stock wide body. Huge shout out to Amazon. These things were like 25 bucks, I think, for 20 of them, which I didn't think was bad at all. And I love these ones just because you don't have to have some special key. It's just a 17 mil socket. So yeah, thanks Amazon for selling these. So much better with the 1-inch spacer on there. I actually wanted to drop this a little bit lower, but we are at like, I think 0.4 degrees of negative camber right now. So I'm probably actually gonna go up like another 1/2 inch actually. But for this event, it'll be fine. But yeah, those 1-inch spacers look way better. And I do not like running spacers at all, but I wanted to try the smaller wheel. And with 2 days to hit an event, spacers were my only option. So we'll try to hit those up front. And they're probably gonna poke a ton out front just because any like angle kit like FDF and a Wisefab always pokes like way outside the fender. So we'll try those up front and see if we can get a little bit more angle out of it. All right, guys, so we took a quick pause on the priming, the painting. We're not gonna get that until tomorrow morning to play some Tetris. So if you guys are really like, if you're good at Tetris as a kid, try to fit some large energy prismas in a custom cage car. What do you have to say about it, Brandon? That one's a medium. That one went in like, I mean, that's still tight. But this one's a large because I wanted to be nice to my passengers.
It's not looking good.
See what we can do. Guys, we got a game plan going on. So we took off the side brackets here, and we're gonna spit on her a little bit. Hopefully she'll go in a little bit easier. I don't know how we're doing at this little Tetris game, but I think we're getting somewhere, you know? Still gotta install the harness before the seat. So, if you could not fit in a medium, and you fit in the large that I'm throwing in here for you guys, make sure to tell me thank you. I mean, I'm really working hard for you guys. But we are gonna stick a large seat in the passengers. Yeah, Brandon just went to the gas station. He got some drinks while I was working hard, trying to be a genius. Oh yeah, you gotta remove this pad. A little bit extra room, you know. We're getting her done. 30 minutes later. I'm over here working hard getting this thing together, slowly but surely. Brandon's over here giving me tiger stripes.
Tiger stripes, dude.
Yeah, this is probably like one of the most difficult jobs I've ever done. Way more difficult than spray painting like the hood and the bumper and stuff like that. All right, guys, on to part 2 of the adventure. 18 hours until the drift event, until we have to head down to the drift event. So what do I do yesterday? Buy a diesel truck, you know? We gotta buy a tow rig to get to the drift event. So we're gonna go pick up that tow rig right now. It's just literally an auction 6.7. So hopefully this thing's not a complete hunk of junk. But I mean, sometimes you get them there and they're terrible. And if that happens, we've got plan B. Plan B is drive a half-ton gas truck all the way from Kansas City to Austin, Texas. Probably get like maybe like 6 miles a gallon. Yeah, hopefully this truck's a pretty nice truck. What do you think, buddy?
I mean, I don't know, man.
I don't think he's ever been to auction. We just bought it from Mannheim. Have you guys ever been to auction? Austin's never been over there, but we'll see how terrible it is. Oh, and we're driving the Rover over there, of course. That's the only reason Austin's helping me is because he wants to drive the Rover on the way back. This thing's badass. If you guys want this, hit me up. It's $27.5. It's a 2014 supercharged V8. It's badass. All right, guys, I think we've come to the realization I want to move out of Kansas City. I mean, this is gross right now. We're at auction now, about to go check out this truck. It's like 7 degrees out. The wind chill's probably like way worse than that.
It's like -9, yeah.
Yeah. But we're gonna see how terrible this truck is. Oh yeah, buddy. Hopefully you can see out of that. So sketchy.
Yeah.
There's like ice all over that windshield.
Definitely could not even see us.
But yeah, if you guys haven't seen an auction before, there's like, I think they keep like close to 5,000 cars here all the time. It's pretty crazy. I think they sell like 1,500 a week out of this location in Kansas City. But yeah. Oh, look at that truck, or I like the wheels on it. It's not bad. It's not bad. But I'm always super last minute with drift events, so like 24 hours before a drift event, if I need a tow rig, I'm buying a diesel.
I didn't realize you were this last minute.
Oh, I am. We're leaving in what, 17 hours now, something like that?
Something like that.
Just now picking up our tow rig. Here she is. It's not the ugliest truck in the world. Not bad. We got 177K on the clock. Let's make sure to start it up and see if there's any check engine lights. What are you thinking?
I'm hoping it's good.
Pray to the drift gods real quick. All right, so we're starting it up. All right, it sounds healthy so far. A little high idle. All right, no check engine light, no airbag light. We got a seatbelt light. Put your seatbelt on, bro.
Yeah, dude. I'm freezing.
This thing ain't bad.
This thing's pretty nice. I can sleep back there while you drive the whole time.
You could sleep back there. Dude, it's actually really clean in here. We got some power mirrors. This ain't a bad little truck. It's got some miles on it, but for a diesel, it's not bad.
I dig it.
Wait, do we have a...
Dude!
What? Oh, we gotta do the glove box, delete.
We gotta take it out.
We don't have a USB. That's some... Oh, buddy. We good. Always gotta have a USB for Texas trips. But I'm gonna pop the hood and just make sure that she's 100% good. It is idling kind of high.
Oh, fuck.
It doesn't have the best tires in the world, but it sounds all right. And I'm also the king of like buying stuff and not really knowing what I'm buying. I totally thought this thing was an F250. It's actually an F350.
Oh,
yeah.
it's pretty good.
I do that all the time. It's probably like not something I should be telling you guys, but yeah, I accidentally buy cars all the time. Or like the trim package is a little bit different or something like that. Sometimes it's for the better, sometimes it's for the worst. You know, in this case, we got an F350 instead of an F250. So hopefully it tows a little bit better. Should we knock the ice off this thing, bro? This is really annoying.
Yeah, probably. This thing's gonna tow like a
All right.
beast.
I'm gonna sit in the truck, get warm. You get to work.
No, dude, you're doing it wrong, man.
Oh, look at that. Just straight ice.
Yeah, how's that feel on your face?
It's all right.
No, we
Watch
got a
out
van
for this
coming.
guy. Watch out for both of them. We're in dangerous territory over here.
Yeah, we are.
Woo!
Oh man,
I can't breathe.
she's a.
I really don't know how I've lost Austin so bad. We're on our way back from auction. I'm going like 65. And he's like, oh wow, I just now saw him in the rear view. Like he's like all the way back there. You guys can't even see me so far back. Come on, buddy.